Hello everyone, we are back with our new vlog and video. So today we are going to teach you a topic which is about the project based learning PBL and hearing sounds, and all sounds are caused by vibrations. You can investigate this by placing fingers on the sides of your throat and humming. By changing these vibration, the sound is changed. By changing the vibrations, sound is also changed, and sounds can differ how high or low the sound is by changing the amount of water in the cups and changing the amount of air above the water. Different amounts of air vibrate. Take 3 paper cups and fill each cup with different proportions of water. Fill one paper and transfer of heat. uh, wheel and axle turns the movement. The wheel is the round object and axle is the right through center. This arrangement of wheel and axle is simple machine. It makes our work easier by moving objects across distances. Inclined plane, a flat surface that is lifted at angle. Design of hovercraft using concept of friction. Material require balloon, CD paper, glue, lid from bottle. Take a lid from. Force is a push or pull acting on object. What can force do? Define the following term with example. Differentiate between contact and non-contact forces. Justify that the applied force is greater, the motion will be greater. How can you say that the earth has invisible forces? Discuss the use of lever and pulley in your daily life. Lever is the simple machine that can lift objects with little effort. It has arm that rest and attach a point known as fulcrum. Fold back clip, car fluid, craft stick, rubber band, metal nut, cotton reel. Construct the simple machine lever using the compounds from your kit. Find the 2 cotton reels in the kit and place them at both ends of your simple machine lever. Can you make it balance? Yes, no, keep trying until you can. Predict what will happen. If the foam cylinder on top of one of cotton is placed a foam cylinder. Inclined plane is something like a ramp or a slide which acts upon the force or pulley and moving the objects like it's a physics, and all bodies object move by machinery, fulcrum, pulley, and each and everything you know about the cars and rallies. Fulcrum effort, they start moving in the different way, and that's the style they are used. Okay, meet you in next video.